English and Spanish Cafe with Cris and Isabella.
Welcome back to English and Spanish Cafe with Cris and Isabella, your cozy place to learn English and Spanish through real-life conversations. I'm Cris.
Hi, I'm Isabella, and today we're going somewhere very practical.
Yeah, today we're going to the grocery store.
And honestly, this is one of those places where simple English really matters.
Exactly, because if you know just a few phrases, you can already feel more confident.
Yes, and we'll walk through it step by step, like a real situation.
All right, imagine you walk into a grocery store. You're looking for something, maybe bread. You ask, "Where can I find the bread?" The phrase is, "Where can I find the bread?" You use this when you don't know where something is. Repeat after me. Where can I find the bread?
In Spanish, we say, ¿Dónde puedo encontrar el pan? It's very natural and very polite when asking for help.
And usually someone will help you right away.
Now, you find the bread, but maybe you want a different size. You ask, "Do you have this in a different size?" The phrase is, "Do you have this in a different size?" Repeat after me. Do you have this in a different size?
In Spanish, we say, ¿Tienes esto en otro tamaño? Very common, especially when you want options.
Because sometimes one is too small and the other is too big.
Yes, always happens.
Now, you see something interesting, but there's no price. You ask, "How much is this?" The phrase is, "How much is this?" Repeat after me. How much is this?
In Spanish, we say, ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? Very simple and very important.
Now, you see a sign, but you're not sure. You ask, "Is this on sale?" The phrase is this on sale? Repeat after me. Is this on sale?
In Spanish, we say, ¿Está en oferta? Very useful, especially if you want to save money.
Now, maybe you feel a little lost. You say, "Can you help me?" The phrase is, "Can you help me?" Repeat after me. Can you help me?
In Spanish, we say, ¿Puedes ayudarme? Very common and very polite.
By the way, if you're enjoying this kind of learning, real situations, real conversations, don't forget to subscribe to English and Spanish Cafe with Cris and Isabella.
Yes, little by little, you'll feel more natural speaking both languages.
All right, now you're ready to pay. The cashier starts scanning your items. You say, "Can I pay by card?" The phrase is, "Can I pay by card?" Repeat after me. Can I pay by card?
In Spanish, we say, ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? Very common in stores.
Or maybe you prefer cash. You ask, "Do you accept cash?" The phrase is, "Do you accept cash?" Repeat after me. Do you accept cash?
In Spanish, we say, ¿Aceptan efectivo?
Now everything is packed, but you need a bag. You say, "Can I get a bag?" The phrase is, "Can I get a bag?" Repeat after me. Can I get a bag?
In Spanish, we say, ¿Me puede dar una bolsa? Very polite and common.
Now you're done. You say, "That's all, thank you." The phrase is, "That's all, thank you." Repeat after me. That's all, thank you.
In Spanish, we say, Eso es todo. Gracias.
And sometimes, when someone offers help, but you don't need it, you say, I'm just looking. Thanks. The phrase is, I'm just looking. Thanks. Repeat after me. I'm just looking. Thanks.
In Spanish, we say, solo estoy mirando, gracias. Very useful and polite.
All right, let's review everything together. Repeat after me. Where can I find the bread? Do you have this in a different size? How much is this? Is this on sale? Can you help me? Can I pay by card? Do you accept cash? Can I get a bag? That's all. Thank you. I'm just looking. Thanks.
If you can use these, you can already handle a real grocery situation.
Perfect. Now let's do it in Spanish. Repeat after me. ¿Dónde puedo encontrar el pan? ¿Tienes esto en otro tamaño? ¿Cuánto cuesta esto? ¿Está en oferta? ¿Puedes ayudarme? ¿Puedo pagar con tarjeta? ¿Aceptan efectivo? ¿Me puede dar una bolsa? Eso es todo. Gracias. Solo estoy mirando. Gracias. If you can say these in both languages, you're already building real confidence.
See, learning English doesn't mean learning everything. Sometimes it means learning the right things.
And using them in real life.
Now it's your turn. Which phrase do you think you'll use first?
Write it in the comments in English or Spanish.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. English and Spanish Cafe with Cris and Isabella.
We'll see you in the next episode.
This is Cris.
And Isabella.
See you next time.